Hey guys, watch me fix this 13 Pro Max front glass for under my part cost, around $5, 30 minutes of my time. I have a ton of equipment. If you guys want this done to your phone and you're tired of paying $300 for a screen repair, send me a message, let me know what model you have, and make sure it qualifies for glass only replacement. It's got to have no spots like this one, no lines, touch has to work. After we take the screen off, we tape it down so the glass comes off in one piece. This one's pretty shattered at the top. Take all these pieces off, take the ear mesh off, make sure not to lose any screws. Once the glass is off, it's right there. We test the display for functionality, make sure we didn't damage anything, and as per typical, we did not. And now, 99.5 degrees on this, we have to clean off this old glue so we can laminate a new glass and glue on top. So I let that soak in for 2 to 3 minutes until you can't see the liquid anymore. And then we start taking this off with a spinning rod. I can't do this with one hand, so I have to kind of show you how to do it. And then liquid here, this is just alcohol, and final cleaning the screen. We have to clean it really well. The better you clean it, the less issues you'll have with laminating the new glass and glue. Make one tiny dot in the middle. As always, YMJ machine. Settings are always about the same unless I'm doing an iPad. And then after that, it'll go in the debubbler. We start the laminator. Right out of the laminator on these, comes out really nice. Almost perfect right out of the laminator. We put it in the debubbler for 8 minutes. This screen had a Face ID issue before the repair. It still has the same issue. I think they damaged the sensor. But everything is working good on this phone. And if you need a repair, just send us a message. We do iPhone 12 through 15 Pro Max.